Listen, I'm not that famous that it has.
But you are
some...
famous. Who doesn't? Who? यहाँ पे
Life-
करो comment करो नीचे. Is it easy to date actors?
I haven't dated actors
Rick,
that many.
You married.
I married the one I did. I think there's a level of compassion by default that you can not look and get in and know that an actor will have that. And I absolutely adore that about her, that she is already, as an actor,
Yeah.
not as a lover,
Yeah.
that comes second. As an actor, she will always be open to dialogue from the other party, right? I feel like the older I'm getting, the more sensitive and the more mush I'm getting, man. I'm like, dude, what is happening to me? I'm like watching a film the other day, and both of us, I think it was A Complete Unknown, Bob Dylan's. And I'm just like in tears. I'm like, what the hell is happening? Like, Richard's right here. And I'm like, okay, wait, but this is too much. This is like...
and there's a line in the trailer which we saw where she's telling you, "Tu kuch nahi tha, tu rahega bhi kuch bhi nahi." Baap re.
It hits you. Yeah. Especially when, you're down in the dumps, you're struggling, and your partner, the most loved one, tells you कि तुम तो loser ही हो यार. Oof, that really hit that day.
What is Anurag Basu's world like when it comes to love and filmmaking? You've experienced.
Mysterious.
Oof.
You don't know what you're in for. Till date I don't know. मैं फिल्म ही नहीं देखी है भाई. मैं कुछ नहीं पता है. Like here there was no script, so I was like, okay, अब क्या करें?
Fatima was like, हम तो go with the flow. Whoever asked me, I said, just go with the flow. You come along.
She's done now.
Yeah,
worked with him before. I walked in. I'm like, yeah, she's done. Adi's worked with him. Pankaji's worked with him.
Yeah.
And then all chilling, like अरे आज यार खाने में क्या आ रहा है? I'm like, hello, यहाँ पता नहीं स्क्रिप्ट में क्या है भाई. तो नहीं, don't worry. Give it 48 hours. I kid you not, 48 hours.
And that's
Third day, I'm like, what up?
wow.
Chal.
Now you're Basu approved. Ding.
Yeah.
As an actor, are you on set?
I ask. I'm a bit of a poker. Yeah. I ask a lot of questions. I think जावेद साहब ने भी बहुत सही बोला था किसी इंटरव्यू में भी रिसेंट कि हम केटर ही कर रहे हैं सिनेमा जैसे ऊपरी एलीट लोगों को जो जाते हैं एंजॉय करते हैं पॉपकॉर्न केक भी देते हैं.
Yeah. It's become that. Yeah, मुझे दे दो. It's 450 rupees.
Yeah.
I can't. You also sulk? Are you a sulker?
Sometimes I've had, yeah.
Little
But
bit.
I think, I shouldn't say this. I to sometimes enjoy, like when somebody knows me on a film, I've worked with somebody. तो ना मैं, I like seeing where you can take it.
Achha, like your
Like for instance, in real life. Now in real life, when I meet that person, this person calls me a sadu. यार तुम हो यार, तुम में वो, वो बात है.
अरे.
Yes.
कि मैं हूँ सड़ू.
Sadu.
Hello everyone, welcome to Varinder Chawla Presents The Headline and the Byline with me, Hesha Chima. Joining me for a conversation today is an actor who I have had the privilege to chat with multiple times before. But safe to say, वो जब भी मुझे मिलते हैं, उनकी energy अलग होती है, उनका spunk अलग होता है, and somehow conversations अलग हो ही जाती है. Very excited to welcome none other than the very talented and such a good-looking man sitting in front of me, Ali Fazal.
Wow.
Hello.
Thank you. I'm stuck with this weird muchi for a long time, so I don't know if that works. The good-looking part.
Work तो हो ही रहा है. Are like male actors okay with receiving ऐसे compliments? जब मामा को मुंह पे ऐसे तारीफ में से क्या सही दिखते हो यार. ऐसे कैसे लेते हो आप लोग?
I think so.
No?
How do women feel about it?
Fab.
Yeah?
Tell me how I'm looking. I'll be like, one second, touch up.
Oh, nice. Yeah. We all do. We play it down. We gotta play it down.
Yeah, but we like compliments. No, we're
Nice.
all
We all do.
validation.
Especially actors. Like we love our validations.
Yeah, man.
I think somebody would be lying if they. Yeah.
There are quite a few who lie, but I like your honesty.
Yeah. We do. We love it. It's
Yeah.
innate.
But आपका हमेशा से nature ही ऐसा रहा. You've not been somebody who's very calculative, manipulative, diplomatic. You speak your heart out and with kindness.
I try. Get flagged for it sometimes. I have in the past.
Yeah.
But yeah. Why not?
Why not? But
Yeah.
Ali, what an arc, yaar. Matlab, I have to pay you a compliment for saying that. Kudos for the kind of work that you've been doing throughout. But now, when it is so much out there, when you made a name for yourself, I want to understand when was that first moment where you really realized कि A, मैं famous हो चुका हूँ, और दूसरा industry खुल चुकी है to see the potential in me as an actor.
I mean, it's the easy answer. Mirzapur was the
Game changer.
It did. It behaved like a weird film show because the audiences from all over kind of just got exposed to it at the same time.
Yeah.
And each season just got bigger and bigger and bigger. So I was like, and you know, you realize slowly that you're living in a cocoon in Bombay. Every time I start stepping up, I went to New York for all the places, man. I was rehearsing for a play there. वहाँ पे मतलब weird hounding happened. So I say, okay, you know, maybe it's true.
Yeah.
It's happened.
Does it also happen that you feel that Indian faces have a lot more, I don't know if value is the right word, but
There's a lot of Indians also, yeah.
yeah, but no, I just feel like Indian actors have a lot more value abroad. मुझे ऐसे लगता है, ऐसा है?
I know. I think the focus is shifting now. Like you will start seeing a lot of South Asian centric cinema and shows on the international scale, and that's gonna be a big wake up call for us. It's happening as we speak.
Yeah.
So that is something we should buck up for. So yeah, of course, Indian faces are already being sort of, you know, the next story. It's like how, sorry, it sounds very, on some level it sounds racist, right? Like if I say, you know, a few years back it was the Chinese getting their, you know, thing. Now the Korean with the Parasite and everything else. And suddenly you'll see a lot of, you know, Korean actors. I think America is probably running out of stories. So
Yeah.
it's like, अब ये continent choose करते हैं. You know, आ जाओ, come.
अच्छा है, but I think West and East merger is a great thing. हम भी सीखते हैं उनसे कुछ, हम मतलब वो हमसे
course.
सीखते हैं. Tell me something, Ali. What did fame teach you about your own self?
Listen, I'm not that famous that, you know, it has.
But
given
you
me
are
some
famous. यहाँ पे करो, comment करो नीचे.
Arey, but I think it's yeah, I don't know. Latch on to what you have from before. I think that's what it really taught me. And fashion.
Oh yeah. Oh, that's a great answer I've gotten.
Yeah, man. Yeah.
I love it. Nobody has ever given me this.
And I can be shameless about it. It has really taught me how to respect my clothes. That's what I mean. Because we're out there seen and people are seeing you and they're like, dude, you know what? This guy's wearing this really cool shirt.
Yeah.
Maybe I'll go wear it. Even if one person is thinking like that.
Yeah.
Like, shit.
Yeah. Fashion is important.
Maybe I gotta, you know, take care. That's all.
Yeah. Or I think, why do we underestimate this fact? Vanity is such an important thing for people who are part of this industry, right?
Of course it is.
Yeah, I think first of all, I am completely against the fact that they say that ऐसे होते थे ना, jokes पहले होते थे कि अगर आप ugly हो तो आप good actor हो. ऐसे होते थे. But now I'm like, ऐसा थोड़ी होता है. अगर सुंदर हो तभी भी आप good actor हो सकते हो.
हो सकते हैं, है ना?
बिल्कुल, why not?
Yeah, it should be. We should be allowed. It's like self-love.
Yeah, true.
Yeah.
So tell me something. This is just my general knowledge that I want to get. I don't know, I'm married, of course, to somebody who I love, which is Richa. But what is it like to be in a relationship with an actor? Like, how are you all in general? Is it easy to date actors?
I haven't dated actors
Richa,
that many.
You married.
I married the one I did. I think it's beautiful. I think there's a level of compassion by default that you can not look and get in and know that an actor will have that. And I absolutely adore that about her, that she's already, as an actor, not as a lover.
Yeah.
That comes second. As an actor, she will always be open to dialogue from the other party, right? Then as a lover or as a friend, whichever comes first, you know, things just get more easy. It's like, you know, you can call somebody home. Yeah.
Well, congratulations on being a father. I mean, wow. It's such a big term. So I'm 34. Like, you tell me about becoming a mother, I'll be like, yeah.
Yeah, I mean, I'm like, you know, you never think about some things. You're like, oh, but that's other people are doing it.
Yeah.
And you always hear other stories. And suddenly you're like, wait a second, it's happened, you know? And sure, I think we're also very coolly like winging it.
Yeah.
And learning on the job. And I think it's cute. Yeah. It's also very interesting to see my lover, let's just call her that for this conversation, go through these, you know, this big change.
Yeah.
You know, it's a learning process.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Sure. You know, I had spoken to Richa when she was expecting, and I happened to ask her. I said, like, what's the feeling like, you know, to be a mother? She said, अब तो बनी नहीं हूँ, लेकिन अब hormones ऊपर नीचे हो रहे हैं, इतना मुझे पता है.
Yeah.
You should ask Ali how I'm feeling about this. I said, how sweet, and I love that she's so candid about it because we glorify parenthood so much. But I think this is what I learned observing my own parents, that I started cutting them slack. कि वो मम्मी पापा, I started treating them like humans now.
Yeah, I have serious respect now.
Yeah.
I'm like, dude, you can give me flag for the rest of my days now. I know exactly what you went through.
Yeah.
And that moment, in those days, in 1 year, 2 years of that time, and especially the society we are in or have been in the past, like we don't talk about that stuff, right?
Don't.
Postpartum is also such a taboo. Like, of course, I don't even know till now, even in this conversation, like, is that my part to even talk about, right? Am I allowed to? I don't know. But maybe one day, like, we'll be in a better place to talk about it and
Absolutely.
not be like, you know, kya sahi kya galat.
Kya
Just talk.
Correct.
Yeah.
You know, I'll tell you something that my father told me. क्योंकि उन्हें लगता था कि मैं बहुत ज़्यादा अपनी मम्मी को glorify करती हूँ. क्या कि look at my mother, like मम्मा को देखो, मम्मा ये कर रही, मम्मा वो कर रही. And we all talk about mother's guilt. And my dad told me something about father's guilt. He said there is also beta something called as a dad guilt. And I was really taken aback that day. This was, I think, around 4-5 years ago when I must have spoken to him. He's like, when you're going out there, working, doing your thing, there is me back at home thinking, how's my daughter doing there, or vice versa. And I was like, wow, that's a great perspective, which I never thought, because usually we take men to be the stronger gender, right?
No, they're not. On the contrary, I think. Yeah. In fact, I feel like the older I'm getting, the more sensitive and the more mush I'm getting, man. I'm like, dude, what is happening to me? I'm like watching a film the other day, and both of us, I think it was A Complete Unknown, Bob Dylan's. And I'm just like in tears. I'm like, what the hell is happening? Like, Richard's right here. And I'm like, okay, wait, but this is too much. This is like, but yeah, we think a lot.
Yeah. Some of the things that you probably picked up after becoming a father, like a nuance or two that you never really knew about yourself.
I think about time more respectfully.
Shit, it's so canny. My dad said the same thing.
Yeah.
He said, मैं कभी भी उठता था, कभी सो जाता था, अपने मर्जी का माले, अब नहीं. मतलब after having kids.
Because I'm on her schedule.
Right.
You know. And that is another discipline of its kind, which is beautiful. Like, yeah. You learn to love in different ways.
Yeah, true.
The time is always 24 hours.
Yeah.
It's just permutations and combinations of those hours. Yeah.
Compartmentalizing all of that. Yeah. Speaking of that, let's also talk about something that I guess everybody watching will agree with, is the excitement for Metro in dinner.
Yeah, we really.
Oh my God. First of all, what a fab song launch. I was there for it. What a fab trailer launch. I was there for that too. You know, and अभी तो मैंने उस दिन ही बोल दिया था मिस्टर बासु को कि आई एम वेरी इमोशनली अनअवेलेबल. तो अगर वो मेरे को कुछ जगा सकता है मेरे अंदर, मतलब भाई कुछ तो है इस फिल्म में. Yeah, like, I mean, you know, we've all grown up now. We've become like thick-skinned bolo. We all have our guards and walls up. But if actors can bring out a certain emotion within you which is dead, I feel the film has some weight for it. How do you all feel about this, man? Like, precious some ना, क्योंकि पहली वाली मेट्रो में तो देखो क्या, मतलब अभी भी हम देखते हैं.
Yeah, I remember you said you wouldn't forgive this person.
Right? I said I don't read my book
That
backwards.
stayed with me, man. I was like, okay, dude, that guy's gonna really like regret. Shit, really?
Yeah, I don't.
But you really sounded like you've had that experience.
I've had a heartbreak where it took me to a place where I was like, if you could do this to me, that's it. Shut shop.
It's always the loved ones who hurt most, no?
Yeah, but like, it's crazy. It's uncanny, na? I mean,
But sometimes I feel like maybe is that. I mean, if I were to, again, I'm not in that situation, right? But if you just step back from that situation, you're like, okay, if I were to really look at how human beings were to evolve, if I would evolve from that situation as a test or an experiment, maybe is that a learning in the universe that somebody you love so deeply or care or think about a certain way flips it, and hurts you, and in that moment, do you have the power? And I'm not saying it's negative or positive, to forgive this person and be like, I see you, I don't respect you,
right.
but I let this go, forgive because for my own sanity, right?
Yeah.
Like, because I have to preserve myself,
Yeah. That I agree with.
right? So, like, I'm sure you were trying to preserve yourself in so many ways, right? I think that's the idea, to
That's
preserve your being, man.
या क्योंकि मेरे को लगता है मेरी फिर एम्पैथी खत्म हो जाती है, पता है, मतलब मैं अगर आपके साथ भी बैठी हूँ, आई डोंट वांट इट टू गेट ओवर, you know,
You don't want to lose love.
yeah, never,
You don't want to stop loving.
yeah,
Such a beautiful thing, right?
yeah,
Yeah, I always, and that made me think. I think when you said, you know, it kept ticking in my head, and I was like, shit, like, is there loss of love? You know, I hope not. So I'm glad, like, we're talking.
yeah, we're glad.
It's definitely not. So,
Yeah, no, I mean, I feel there was a drop in how I connected with people until I forgave that person. I think जब तक वो forgiveness नहीं आई थी, तब तक मैं हर इंसान को वैसे ही देख रही थी, you know,
fear, no?
fear.
Yeah.
And then there was this one day where I just dropped it. I said, क्या ही है, क्या ना, move on, you know. But I will remember that I'm not going to make the same mistake again.
Yeah.
I probably won't come back to you, but do I forgive you and can we have a conversation? Sure. And I feel that really, I mean, it probably got me to a space where empathy वापस आ गई थी. And that's why when I saw the trailer also, I went like, हाँ ठीक है, शायद मैं ये ना करूँ, but मेरे को समझ आ रहा है ये क्या हो रहा है.
yeah.
You know, that understanding comes.
Yeah.
And I think we all have such different understanding of love also.
Everybody.
And through these chapters in Metro, I think वो एक एक करके किसी ना किसी ने कुछ तो फील किया ही है. जैसे मैं आप ही का सीन लेने वाली हूँ with Fatima. In fact, I was recently talking to her also and I told her the same thing day before. That I said that line ना, वो हम सब कहते हैं कभी ना कभी किसी को, क्योंकि जब हम गुस्से में होते हैं ना, you want to hurt that person so bad.
Oh yeah.
You say the meanest things because you're hurt. You know, and there's a line in the trailer which we saw where she's telling you, तू कुछ नहीं था, तू रहेगा भी कुछ भी नहीं. बाप रे.
Yeah.
Oof.
It hits you. Yeah. Especially when, you know, you're down in the dumps.
Yeah.
You're struggling. And your partner, the most loved one, tells you कि तुम तो loser ही हो यार. Oof.
What a...
That really hit that day, you know. And like, I mean, in the same tone, in the same breath, I have also said something disgusting before.
Correct.
You know,
Yeah.
I don't even know if this kid is mine.
Yeah.
So, yeah.
And that is so real because these things happen in a couple. मतलब अभी वो हो गया cancel culture, ये नहीं बोल सकते, वो नहीं बोल सकते, लेकिन हम तो ऐसे ही लड़ते हैं, हम थोड़ी शहद बरसा रहे होते हैं एक दूसरे के मुंह पे when we're fighting. It's actually cruel words.
Yeah.
Crazy, man. It's just that.
Which is why, like, a lot of conversations that happened early on, you know, the films that were controversial, and
yeah,
you know, I sometimes feel like people need to look back, step back, and actually really understand, what are you canceling?
Correct.
What part of those films are you canceling? You know, this is a very the most undefined word in the world, love.
Absolutely.
And each of us have different experiences of it, around it, in it,
true,
out of it. You can't know.
Yeah,
you know.
You can't know. What is Anurag Basu's world like when it comes to love and filmmaking? You've experienced
Mysterious.
Oof.
You don't know what you're in for. Till date, I don't know. मैं फिल्म ही नहीं देखी है भाई, मैं कुछ नहीं पता है.
आपकी डबिंग हो चुके?
डबिंग हो गई.
ठीक है.
वो भी इनफैक्ट पोस्ट डबिंग कुछ एडिट चल रहा है. so and I think, I'm sure, I mean, Fatima must have probably mentioned, or you know, I think we all have the same thing to say.
Yeah.
But there was no set, like, script, screenplay, and he sent the story to me, and we were in touch with each other a couple of months before this. Maybe he sensed that I wanted to work with him. मुझसे कहा नहीं जाता है. I'm very bad at it. I really admire people who can do that. And I think we should be able to, you know, just walk up to someone and say, hey man, you're looking good. Yeah. Or hey man, I want to work with you.
Yeah.
Maybe he sensed it. He's brilliant human being, I think, before anything. And he said, ye concept hai, ye story hai, ye concept. And I thought the concept was very interesting. Of course, we've all seen something like it, which is made by him, Metro, some 18 years back. I said, ठीक है, anything, you know, I would love to come and collaborate with you. उसके आगे एक और कोई बात चल रही थी for another film, but this was happening first, so I said okay, you know. And I really hope now, after all of this, like, I can collaborate with him on a longer format.
Sure. What kind of an actor are you on set?
I ask. I'm a bit of a poker. Yeah. I ask a lot of questions.
जो बहुत अच्छी बात है.
When needed. Because sometimes I think my conversations are all unsaid. If the rhythm is right, especially with Basuda, you know, his films are musicals, quite literally. So there is already a rhythm set for you.
जी.
So I have to just know exactly what he's looking for in that moment. Sometimes there were days we would never speak to each other. Just come and I can see him, I can sense him on the camera because he's literally, watching you. So I know his eyes are on me, and he can tell truth from not truth. In that moment of like if I have that honesty or not. That's it. Honestly, that's what matters, because all the rest of it is my interpretation. All the rest of it is his world already there.
Let's say when a project comes to you, narration होता है, script होता है, जो भी है, या एक call ही होता है कि अली ये हो रहा है, बताओ करना है या नहीं करना है. उस वक्त पे what is it that goes in your mind? Any visual imagery comes along, or are you just like नहीं पहले meeting करूंगा? Like कैसे करते हो? Decision making process क्या है?
Oh man, it's the hardest. Because we all love the visual medium. We love imagining.
Correct.
And I think if a screenplay, ideally it's screenplay. If it's written right, it's going to make you imagine things, right? Like how, like I'm a big lover of radio, sound, sorry, here, this thing, this creates like maybe the experience that you are having and you are having behind the camera. If you close your eyes, I adore that, because it heightens senses and leaves room for imagination.
True.
That's what I like to have when I'm reading a script. Sometimes I'll play music. I mean, that's why like most of my films, all films actually, have a playlist of its own. But different people do different things. Like here, there was no script, so I was like, okay, ab kya kare?
Fatima was like, "Hum to go with the flow. Whoever's asking us, just go with the flow. You come along."
She's done now.
Yeah,
Worked
she's
with
done
him
judo.
before.
Yeah,
I
yeah.
walked in. I'm like, yeah, she's done. Adi's worked with
Yeah.
him. Pankaji's worked with him.
Yeah.
And then all chilling, like, अरे आज यार खाने में क्या आ रहा है? I'm like, hello, यहाँ पता नहीं स्क्रिप्ट में क्या है भाई. तो नहीं, don't worry. Give it 48 hours. And I kid you not, 48 hours.
And that's
Third day, I'm like, what up?
Wow.
Chal. It's one of those rare moments where you can just walk into a set, like somebody's got your back.
Right.
Because improvising is horrible. Like it can go terribly wrong. And which is why I think I'm really terrified of that. Not that I can't. I would love to I can talk for freaking hours in front of a camera if I'm in that context. But, it's not serving the purpose, and you're derail, man.
Yeah, man. Absolutely.
So, yeah, technicians.
Crazy. Now you're about to approve. Ting.
Yeah.
If you get tick mark, कर लिया अभी तो this also done. This is my observation. You can correct me if I'm wrong, but मुझे लगता नहीं मैं wrong हूँ. मुझे लगता है हम acting का सिर्फ एक glorification देखते हैं. When we see like beauty, we see the dance, we see the songs, we see the performances. But I feel an actor is one of the most intelligent people. Why? क्योंकि आपको लाइन्स याद रखनी पड़ती है जो बहुत डिफिकल्ट है. मतलब मुझे क्वेश्चंस याद करने के लिए भी इट्स सच अ टास्क. सेकंड, यू स्टिल हैव टू नो व्हाट यू आर डूइंग इन फ्रंट ऑफ द कैमरा, हाउ यू आर डूइंग इट एक्सेट्रा. थर्ड, समवेयर डाउन द लाइन यू आर फेकिंग इट इफ इट्स अ रोमांटिक सीन, बिकॉज आप थोड़ी हर इंसान से प्यार करते हो इन दैट सेंस. सेम विद एक्शन, सेम विद व्हिचएवर जॉनर यू पिक, राइट? एंड द वैनिटी एस्पेक्ट ऑफ इट. देयर आर जस्ट सो मेनी थिंग्स टू be there, and I think to top it all you have to be a great observer. Agree?
Yeah, man, bang on. Yeah.
And I have this thing, so my I'll tell you where this is coming from. I have a whole bunch of people who aspire to become actors, and उनको लगता है अरे मेरी शक्ल अच्छी दिखती है मैं बन जाऊंगा क्या. मैंने कहा, ओ भाई, मैं बैठती हूँ उनके साथ, मुझे पता है it's not just about how you look.
Yeah,
there's a lot of things which I feel few of them I've just named.
I like to think it's not about all of that. I think there's so much more to it. Yeah, you're right. You actually correctly observed it.
What's the most bahiyat piece of advice you gotten in the start of your career कि एक्टर बनना है तो ये तो करना पड़ेगा, जो बिल्कुल भी बकवास होती है? It's like a myth.
वो क्या कहते हैं, I mean now I don't think bahiyat, but at the time it was very bahiyat for me. Was just यार तुम्हें अपनी ये इतना पैसा इन्वेस्ट करना है PR में, इसमें उस वक्त तो बैंक में ही नहीं, मतलब रेंट के पैसे नहीं थे. So then you're like, dude, what the hell, man? Like that's your first, or clothes and stuff, which
now in retrospect, do you think now it matters after achieving a certain level? I feel.
Yeah, now it does because I can.
Yeah, correct.
But that shouldn't be the go-to.
Right.
But then there's an aesthetic. Are you able to maintain that aesthetic irrespective of money in your bank?
Sure.
Where does that come from? That comes from observing. That comes from just being open to all cultures, books, everything that we can read, whatever we can. मतलब जो भी हम पढ़ सकते हैं. I think it comes from there.
What's the biggest industry myth, according to you?
Oh, that we are what's that? Yeah, that we're really manipulating assholes, right? Like everybody's cutting everybody. I think it's a myth. I like to think it's a myth.
There is competition, though, right?
That's okay.
Hmm.
But like, I love that when films work.
Yeah.
And my colleagues' films work.
Right.
Especially now in this time when we are all like whooping, man, people come to the theaters, you know.
True.
So I'm really hoping the next, whatever, 2-3 films, like whatever it's coming before us, after us, they just work.
Wow.
Yeah.
Now, does that only take a secure actor to say this?
Yeah, maybe. Maybe.
Yeah. Because I've come across barely few people who would support other people's work as well. There are great. I mean, long story short, there are superstars who support each other.
Yeah, but that's sad, right?
Yeah.
'Cause
There's nobody else doing that so much.
nobody else doing that. I think at this level, like, we need to.
Yeah. And I guess that's where even that conversation of कि on-som cast में कितने secure थे, कितने insecure थे, वो सारी questions निकल के आते हैं. क्योंकि कहीं ना कहीं
No, but I think it's a great cushioning movie, especially Metro.
या कि खुद पे पूरा pressure नहीं है भाई,
नहीं है
पड़ जाएगा.
भाई, मतलब सब पे है. And our director himself, so he's only pulling in a lot of audiences. So, I think it's a great start, great way for me to come back into the theaters because I need that. I don't think I have box office, which eventually does become a decider in many ways.
Yeah, I think that it takes a lot of I don't know. Usually, when people say ना कि script आती है, मैं तो सिर्फ अपना part देख रहा हूँ, तो fair, I'm sure.
I mean, the first read by default, you're human.
Correct.
You end up reading what you're supposed to play. It's the second read where you really understand the macro.
Right.
And the third is when you really start understanding but third तक लोग जाते नहीं, second तक नहीं जाते हैं लोग, आधे में ही मतलब अच्छा you're right, ठीक है. Am I winning the war? Okay.
Let's go. Love it. You spoke about theatrical release. I feel that's a huge high, and no matter what you must have achieved in any other, let's say, domain, एक theater release बहुत कुछ कर देती है एक actor के.
Yeah, a lot. Yeah, especially here, I think no matter who you are, how good you are, on that Friday, if it works, everything just flips, changes, and it's okay. That's fine. I think somewhere it still makes me believe that there is some love left for the theaters, that entire careers get shaped.
Yeah, man.
So I'll take that.
हाँ यार, वो मेरे को भी ऐसे ही है. मुझे भी वही पॉपकॉर्न चाहिए, वही समोसा चाहिए. I want that theater.
महंगा बहुत है.
हाँ, बहुत महंगा हो गया. मैं गेटी गैलेक्सी चली जाऊंगी, बैंड्रा गर्ल. जो बिल्कुल नहीं होने वाला.
वहाँ भी हो गया है महंगा, नहीं?
कहाँ, इतना सस्ता था पहले एक टाइम पे. हमने
I hope यार.
अपने दूसरे मल्टीप्लेक्स से तो काफी.
एक तो थिएटर नहीं है देश में.
Right.
फिर उसके ऊपर ये
इतने महंगे टिकट, ज्यादा तो हम पॉपकॉर्न और उस पे खर्चे कर रहे हैं. बट ठीक है.
I think जावेद साहब ने बहुत सही बोला था किसी इंटरव्यू में भी रिसेंटली कि हम केटर ही कर रहे हैं सिनेमा ऐसे ऊपरी एलीट लोगों को, जो जाते हैं, एंजॉय करते हैं, पॉपकॉर्न फेंक भी देते हैं.
It's become that. Yeah, मुझे दे दो. It's 450 rupees.
Yeah.
I can't. My tickets are cheaper. If it's on a Tuesday, then तो even more 99 rupees. कुछ होते हैं ना offers इनके. Yeah.
I did a bite for that. Yeah. Blockbuster Tuesdays.
Yeah, Blockbuster.
Thank God for that.
Yeah, thank God for
God.
it. Crazy. Okay, what kind of cinema really excites you? Like when you're back home, what are you watching? What are you aspiring to do?
All kinds, yeah. I'm a cinephile. There was a time when I would, let's just say, access cinema in ways not very acceptable. Because कुछ फिल्में रिलीज नहीं होती थी on
torrent.
I didn't say that.
मैं बोल रही
हूँ. And it's so funny, life comes full circle, because I remember on those prints DVD screener लिखा रहता था for academy purposes only. And then I became an academy member, and I literally get those screeners now to vote. So I was like, okay, now officially I have to stop, which I did years ago. I'll still go back and watch DDLJ time to time.
Yeah.
Before I start every film, I don't know why, for some reason I watch Mughal-e-Azam.
Wow, every film से पहले.
पता नहीं आदत है. I just go back and काफी दफा देखता हूँ. Maybe not every time. But then there's already so much now to watch, like international shows and stuff.
Yeah, true.
है ना? Yeah.
What it is about representing your country internationally that sort of puts you in like a thoughtful zone? Is it the pressure? Is it, I don't know, self-induced performance pressure? Or it is what?
No, not at all. I think it's such a proud moment. And I realized this for the first time. I never thought of it like that. I'm world cinema, one citizen, world, all this. But then came Victoria and Abdul, and it came at that, I think we premiered at Venice the first time. And there I realized, right, like somebody in the press said, are you Indian? I said, yeah. And, and suddenly just became such a pride thing because after that we campaigned for the Oscars. We went to TAFE, whatever, and it did great business. And that's a proud feeling every time. I think, in fact, Abhi recently now, again, full circle, we produced a film called Girls Will Be Girls. And outside Sundance, when we were having our screening, they have this one entire corridor where all the flags are there. And the Indian flag is really prominent.
Wow.
So all of us, by default, we just went and we, took our little selfies. And it was nice. Of course, I think on an international stage, वो एक proud feeling तो होती है.
It's a great feeling.
Yeah.
Do you ever see yourself directing something for your own self? Like,
God.
would you ever direct your own self? Is that a vision?
It's not a vision. It's possibly. But not a vision right now. Yeah.
Okay.
Maybe. Who knows?
Yeah, actually, who knows?
Who knows? I don't think there's so many beautifully qualified artists out there who are directing some amazing stuff. I mean, I think there's already a huge bucket list that I would like to finish up.
Okay, give me 3 names.
Raghavan sir, Imtiaz Ali, these are the 2 really, really big ones I want to work with. I would love to work with Vishalji again, I think. Basuda again, I think. I don't think I've been juiced enough by these 2 people. Actually, I absolutely loved Karan's work on Stolen, which is a new film. I don't know, or even Chaitanya Tamane. These people are brilliant. Shaunak Sen.
Yeah.
I mean,
Stolen was fabulous. We spoke about it. Kudos to Karan and to Abhishek, of course.
Yeah, man. I'm so glad it's finally found a home.
Yeah.
I saw it last year in one of the screenings, and they went to Venice again. There's a film that did. And then you realize, why isn't that sent to the Oscars from our side?
Yeah. It's crazy.
Yeah.
Okay, tell me something. What is it like for actors when the wait period is too long? 2 types of wait periods. एक तो आपने कुछ sign कर दिया and 1000 NDA हैं, अभी मुंह बंद रखना पड़ेगा और बहुत बड़ी चीज है. ओफ, वो कैसा वाला wait period है? भाई मतलब क्या होता है दिमाग में आप लोग के, क्या चलता है?
अरे यार, मुझे समझ में नहीं आता what to do.
बोल भी नहीं सकते, कुछ नहीं कर सकते.
Forget बोल नहीं सकते, checks नहीं आ रहे.
Fab.
You're you're stuck in limbo. You don't know what to do. Metro only went on for thank God, touch wood, I was doing other things.
Yeah.
But I was also, while doing Metro, I was constantly convincing every other project कि, मुझे लगता है इस फिल्म में लंबे बाल रखने चाहिए मुझे. Because मैं Metro में लंबे बाल थे. So I was constantly at the back of my mind, भाई वहाँ कट ना जाए, wig ना लगनी पड़े. So let's convince,
Take this look.
ये है, मुझे लग रहा है ये है. तो 2 फिल्मों में छप गया है वो वैसे ही.
Wow.
But I'm glad I finally managed to finish Metro in time.
Yeah.
Yeah, but it's annoying, I think I'm still a bit thoda sa in a better position right now. But I've been in places where you have only one project and you signed it, you're sitting and there's nothing and there's nobody starting work, it's gotten postponed or it's depressing.
Yeah, that's a
और उसकी counseling कोई नहीं बात करता कभी.
हाँ, कैसे निकलते हैं?
Actually, actors की कोई नहीं बात करता about, finding therapy.
Yeah.
Because we are constantly we're putting ourselves out there,
And always the stronger version, no? Always the best foot forward.
No,
Expectation.
Of course, outside the cameras, but I'm
outside.
saying within the camera, every time that I'm filming something, I'm putting myself literally on the line. I'm feeling it, right? I'm breaking my heart in that moment. I'm really acting as a killer or whatever. I'm not saying method, but in that moment, to find the honesty in that moment, you're going all the way.
Yeah.
You're maybe not striking the final blow that will actually break someone's face, but it's full intent.
Yeah.
So, are we taught to unpack all of that? And why I'm saying is this because as a society, we don't do that.
Yeah.
Forget actors. Now let's just remove actors, right?
Yeah.
Now come to the real people.
Mm.
You know, do we do that?
Very right.
We're not taught to unpack.
Mm. Then how do you detach from like a?
I have to. It's really that's the most depressing part.
Okay, let me ask you a role that was damn challenging for you to snap out of.
Oh man, I mean, I don't think I've Mirzapur because by default it was habits.
Mm.
Because you do a whole season and it's just habits that stick with you and then they keep reminding you.
Mm.
Physical habits.
Right.
Mentally you're out. And I think I've learned to switch out mentally. Or at least you trick yourself.
Mm.
But that's it. Yeah. But physically, like, you know, the muscles I made, the walk that I had to change. I had muscle issues because of that. Posture issues for a long time. My wrist got screwed up in season 2 because I was walking around with a stick.
Mm.
To make that a habit, you have to at least be on it for 2 months, you know.
Yeah.
Stuff like that. You know, that kind of keeps reminding you.
Mm. Tough times.
That's okay. I'm not complaining.
Yeah, I know. You don't sound like you're complaining. You're just sharing.
Yeah.
Which is great.
Yeah.
Hmm.
I shouldn't. I better not complain. I think.
No.
Yeah.
I think we're all operating from a space of gratitude now. I think we've become evolved. I think this generation has.
पर उसका भी लोग ढिंडोरा बड़ा अच्छा पीटते हैं आजकल. I'm happy.
Oh my God.
Life has given me like lemons.
And I made it into a lemonade.
है ना? Yeah. Before that, I stocked it hard.
Oh God.
Sold the living daylight out of it. Told you there's a scarcity. There's some brilliant clip that was running, I saw, right? Somebody says, you know, life gives you lemons.
Yeah.
Somebody in the back says, you make lemon. And he's like, no. You hoard it first. You create a gap in society, a void.
Yeah.
Market the shit out of it. You know, somebody calls it Project Lemon.
Yeah. Oh, wow.
It becomes hashtag lemon.
Oh,
Everybody starts using lemon everywhere. There's a lemon cap, you know, Timothy Chalamet walking in with a lemon shoe, and it's all about lemon. And then you rake in millions, right, of it, and you sit back and then make your damn lemonade.
And probably add some, I can't say, spirits and drink it.
Whatever you want, man.
Whatever you want to do with that.
Free spirited or spirited,
Oh
whatever.
man, crazy. That's insane. But you know, that reminds me how there are people in general, I'm going to take away actors, directors, forget the industry, there are people who love victimizing themselves. I think उनको मजा आ जाता है वो sorrow में ही जीने के लिए. उससे बाहर नहीं निकलते. कई लोग हैं ऐसे.
Yeah, but you know, you can't really blame anybody.
Yeah, you don't know their journey.
What do you do? Yeah.
You also sulk? Are you a sulker?
Sometimes I have, yeah.
Little bit.
But I think, shit, I shouldn't say this. I too sometimes enjoy, like when somebody knows me on a film, I've worked with somebody. So na I like seeing where you can take it.
Achha, you're
like for instance in real life, right? Like now, there's a person I worked with who I want him or her to believe that this guy is a certain way, like Ali is a certain way, and you know, and I'll try and push it. I'll say, okay, let's see how far this person and it works. Now in real life, when I meet that person, this person calls me a sadu. यार तुम हो यार, तुम में वो, you know, वो बात है.
अरे.
Yes.
कि मैं हूँ सड़ू.
Sadu.
Wow. So what is Ali like when he's not shooting? Like drop the actor. क्या हुआ? Can you describe yourself?
Oh man. I think I'm a thinker. Yeah.
Overthinker or thinker?
No, just a thinker. Like I think.
Do you like
And I mean
pause?
contemplate. Maybe that's the word.
And what all do you contemplate about? क्या इतना क्या
A lot of things. I can't share that with you.
One, two.
I mean, I don't know. Like
life in general, maybe. I don't know. Are you a deep human or are you like, I'm chill about it? What is, where do you yourself?
who the hell would say he's not or she's not deep enough?
Enough? No, there are some superficial
Yeah?
people. Yeah. Some जो अपने में ही है. But there are people like
There's
us.
nothing superficial about that.
There is. Little bit. Yeah, if you're so narcissistic, then I have a problem. I have a problem. Everybody else
But
can be
narcissism is a heavy word. That shit runs countries and all. You know?
And then toxicity that follows with it.
Huh.
Oh, not that way, but
You said it. I didn't say shit. What? Where are we shooting this?
oh God.
Anyway, so, but yeah, I think
You're both.
because
Sure.
I'm a reader, so then maybe there's like there's a lot of comedy that's in my life. I think by default we're all I don't know, making things up.
Okay.
I mean literally like Lego.
Building one go.
I love Lego. Like I love building things, like
See,
creating.
That's a new thing I learned about you. I never knew you liked Lego.
Yeah. But because that's the closest in a metro that you can get to bricks.
Bricks. Oh, and dug up roads. Oof. That also.
Yeah. Somebody else has a contract for that
Yeah, but kya?
all the time, the whole year round. We're literally sitting in Bandra, like you just need to peep out.
Yeah.
You know.
सब
And
खुला हुआ
there's-
है यहाँ वहाँ.
Yeah.
Yeah. But
Yeah.
बारिश नहीं हो रही है. We're safe. Okay. Let me ask you a little bit about your work now. I have two things that have been playing on my mind. I read somewhere you're doing Lahore 1947.
Yes. Convince them of long hair, by the way. No.
Wow. I mean,
Okay.
that's a big project. It has Preeti Zinta coming back with it. Like, I mean, वो नहीं बोले लेकिन हमें तो पता है. But anyways, I would love to know about that experience when you got that
And
call.
Sunny Paji.
Of course.
Yeah.
Who does?
Shabana ma'am.
Yeah.
Rajkumar Santoshi coming back
Yeah.
like in a big way. I'm really excited. We still have work left on it.
Sure.
I mean, I do
Hmm.
some days. So hopefully.
I know we can't probably dwell into it too much, and I don't wish to push you either. But do you recall that moment when you signed it and said yes to it?
Yeah, very much. I think, I had a nice little conversation with Amir sir, with Rajkumar Santoshi sir. I think it's a very important film. And I think people will know when they see it. All films are important, but
Yeah.
I think it's a nicely constructed story. And I had a very different track in it actually. तो वो मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा. I thought, maybe I could bring something to it. I'm glad that Raj sir thought of me, Amar sir thought of me. So, and yeah.
Beautiful.
उसके बाद मेरा ज़्यादा interaction नहीं हुआ because I think he was busy with Sitare, filming that at the time. The same time we were filming this,
Yeah.
which I'm very happy about. Actually, it's coming out now.
Yeah.
I don't know. I hope the buzz is nice. I think it's feeling good. But
Yeah. For sure. Okay.
Oh shit! You don't mean it.
No, I mean it.
Oh no.
I interviewed
What do you
RF
feel about it?
Parranna. I just interviewed him, in fact,
Yeah?
day before yesterday.
How
And,
they feel? How's everybody?
You know, they're also very positive about the film.
Okay.
It's pretty much a story that I personally feel, because I had this conversation in my trailer dekha, I said they picked a cause and they merged it with comedy, which is great.
Yeah.
You know,
I mean, that's what
क्योंकि-
Champions is like,
Yeah.
and it's brilliant that they could take that.
Yeah.
Uh,
And I love the fact that they're still addressing them as sitares. Because मेरे लिए सबसे difficult, what I really wanted to understand was how did you say yes or no to that person who you casted, to the sitares? You know, it's a tough process. Like,
oh yeah.
you and I can process a rejection, but you don't know what is their perspective. And he gave me a beautiful answer saying that we take it too differently. They are more lighter on it, which is great. So everybody is beautifully.
Yeah.
So I think let's hope for the best.
Yeah, man.
क्योंकि जब मैं यहाँ स्कूल में पढ़ी थी बैंड्रा में, खार में, JML, वहाँ पे there's an autistic school right there. So I've grown up at least having one meal with these people every standard from the
Yeah.
first to the
6 years of my life, like I was part of the societies in Doon where I studied. So we used to go like for teaching sessions and stuff.
Yeah.
So it was quite an experience.
Yeah.
But again, I go into thinking.
Yeah, me
And I'm
too.
like, dude, I go into thinking like, what is it? What's the core reason?
Same.
Why?
Yeah, why?
It's
are
a
they-
different conversation.
Same.
altogether.
That's true.
So yeah,
Yeah.
let's leave that. But yeah, I'm
Agreed. Okay. Let's also understand when you're picking a project where you have slightly lesser screen space, but big banners, big names, big co-actors. Then how are you oscillating on that front?
clearly not too good.
I mean,
Thug Life just came out.
yeah.
But again, listen, that was for Money Love, right?
Yeah.
Mani Ratnam, lots of love. Kamal Hassan sir, I think they've been, and they don't have to, but Chennai was really welcoming. That's it. I haven't seen the film.
Yeah.
I heard it had some bad reviews. Let's see. I hope I'll probably, if I finish shoot, I'll go catch it and experience it myself. Shit.
Oh God.
I don't know.
Oh my God, it's crazy. But like, you can't say, na, where is the industry going now? क्या पसंद आया लोगों को हमें समझ ही नहीं आ रहा.
But let's see. If a film is not good, it's not good.
Yeah.
If it's good, it's good.
Hmm.
What the hell? I don't know.
Okay.
Best of us screw up. But yeah, I'm not close to that, right? Like,
Right. You can detach.
No. Sorry, I meant to say being part of like narratives that I might not. I might have a smaller part. And
Right.
what was the question?
This only, that how do you oscillate between picking roles with longer screen space versus
yeah.
when you know आपके पास full fledged है कुछ
Yeah.
carry करने के लिए?
I think it's because whatever little experience that I've had in the West, your image or your perception about this कि अगर मेरा lead नहीं हुआ या अगर मेरा बहुत ही छोटा role हुआ, will it that changed? Yeah.
Okay,
That
lastly,
really changed.
I have to ask you, when you first went to the West, was there a culture shock moment that you had yourself? कि they were as chill as probably India is. यहाँ की फिल्में work-wise पूछ रहे हैं.
Cultural shock happened in terms of the economies of scale. Matlab, also I think Touchwood have been part of like studio films, so they've weirdly been just excessive. So it's not like an indie on the other side. So it's very hard to compare because the economics is just different. Like you just have massive sets. You have, sports cars or whatever, like revving up on set as we speak.
Wow.
We are using real stuff. I was shooting in Buckingham Palace, Windsor Castle, Osborne House. These are actual places where these people, the royalty lived.
Oof, what a
So-
flex, Ali. I like
Yeah, I mean it's cool.
Yeah, it
It's
is.
hectic, but it's and that sort of throws you in, right? Like I mean, अब जैसे अभी हम shoot कर रहे हैं, we're trying to create 1978 Delhi. It's very hard. बदल गया है सब कुछ, right? So whatever the heritage places are or whatever is left of it, even there we have to. There's our VFX guys running around. अच्छा ये करेंगे, ये हटाएंगे. So
That's tough one. Yeah.
yeah, space नहीं रही है अभी थोड़ी सी है हमारे पास.
Sure. Okay, parting word.
Ooh,
You can tell me what's next, or you can tell me like what are you up to, something that you can talk about. What is it? Something that you want to talk about. मैंने तो बहुत questions पूछ लिया आपको आज. आपको क्या बोलना है?
doing something for kids.
Oh, cute.
Yeah, I think I'm really excited about that. And producing stuff. I think, yeah, that's a new thing. Could go totally wrong. I mean, the first one did well,
Yeah.
but like it's all eyes on the second one because everybody's like, पहला तो
अब देख।
तुक्का होता है, beginner's luck होती है, तो अब देखते हैं क्या बनाते हैं, तो कुछ बनाएंगे. But हमारी चुल भी है, we want to make stuff that we've always watched and wanted to watch. And I think we have a lot of talent. And that's one of the reasons why I've not left India, because I think इतनी कहानियां हमारे भतेरे हैं तो सुनाना है, जरूरी है.
Say it.
Yeah. And films, I mean, please, on a parting note, all I'll say is I hope we can just carry on saving cinema as much as we can.
Yeah. Agree. Because that functions, we function. नहीं तो हम भी ऐसे कहाँ क्या करें? Oh my God. No, yeah, love for passion and films is what brings us here, I think. But thank you, Ali.
Thank you. It's a
And
nice conversation.
Same, likewise. I had a great chat with you and I'm so excited to watch Metro as well and लाहौर भी देखने हैं मुझे. और जो भी आप करेंगे जिसके बारे में आप अब शायद बात नहीं कर पाए लेकिन बाद में.
But ये मैं कल भी बोलना पड़ेगा हाउसफुल की टीम को.
हाँ, अरे ये मैं काट दूंगी.
नहीं, which is good.
Oh my God. No, but in genuine.